In this video, we are eating at Ippy's Hawaiian BBQ in Waimea on the Big Island of Hawaii to try out and do a review of their Saimin noodle soup. Ippy's has daily specials as well as a Mauka and Makai menu with stuff like terry beef, kalbi ribs, also fish like mahi, ono, and their Saimin comes with sun noodles, kamaboko, char siu, spam, and green onions.
Yeah, I'll do a shrimp boat with fries. Could I do the garlic shrimp? And also a cup of Saimin. Yeah. But no need include spam. Yeah.
Ippy's used to be located at the Queen's Marketplace in Waikoloa, but for the past few years it's been in Waimea. According to them, they give customers a taste of what plate lunch in Hawaii originally was. From kalbi short ribs and kalua pig to grilled mahi salads with local mixed greens, Ippy's Hawaiian BBQ says they take pride in bringing the cultural mixed Hawaiian plate lunch to everyone.
Thank you. You want gravy? Sure. I can put it on the side for you.
Hannah ordered a steak and mashed potatoes. I got the garlic shrimp with fries. She also had a salad. And of course, what we're here to review, the bowl of Saimin. You can see the broth has a nice dark color, but is very clear and light when you pour it. Saimin broth is made with a combination of dried seaweed, kombu, and dried opai, dried shrimp.
Okay, I'm gonna try the Saimin. So as you can see, it's got char siu, kamaboko, and green onions as the toppings. First, I'll try the broth, compare it to nori's down in Hilo, which we did a video on last time. It's good, very umami, salty. You can taste the dashi, the dry shrimp flavor in there, the seaweed. And I like the dark color of the broth too. It's good broth. So now I'm going to do a noodle bowl, try to get a few things, see how it all goes together. It's good. Char siu is sweet, delicious. Broth is good. Noodles. Maybe just a little overcooked for me, but really good. I gave nori's and Hilo an 8 out of 10. I'd probably give this the same. Maybe bump it to a 7.5 just because the noodles aren't quite as springy al dente as I would like, but really nice bowl of Saimin. The broth is great. Let's go 7.5 or 8. 8. 8 out of 10.
Oh wait, here, let me get you. Go ahead.
Super good. Wow, that broth is amazing. I thought Nori's broth was really good too, but this one is, I feel like this broth is more flavorful.
So you say this broth more flavorful than nori's and Hilo? Sorry. Why do you think so? Like, how would do you just do you taste the?
Like I taste the star anise a lot better.
Okay, so you taste that like 5 spice. Kind of, it makes it taste like a pho broth.
It's like a shoyu type flavor. It's so good.
Yeah, it is good. One thing I liked about Ippy's is they had chili pepper water and also Chinese hot mustard for a condiment for the Saimin. The garlic shrimp was also really good. So overall, I think Ippy's is an excellent restaurant, and the Saimin was honestly really just as good as nori's down in Hilo. This is part of a whole series on Saimin we're doing. We have a homemade recipe and other restaurant reviews coming up. Also a Saimin vs. Ramen, what's the difference video. So if you want to check any of that out, you can sub to the channel. This is Eat and Beat in Hawaii. Aloha.